Hi there, my name is Simon and welcome to Juicers.co.uk. Today we've got a real treat as we're going to be looking at a one-of-a-kind product by Hurom. It's called the M100 and it's the world's first slow juicer and blender combination. Yes, that means that with just one device you can be making a fresh cold pressed juice 1 minute and then blitz up a delicious hot creamy soup the next. On paper it sounds amazing. But as always, let's see if it lives up to the hype in reality. In terms of features, it should be little surprise that the M100 has a lot of them. Starting with the juicing side, it makes use of Hurom's now infamous self-feeding technology to great effect. This technology allows the M100 to juice autonomously, and it can even crush and break down ingredients itself, reducing the need for any food preparation. All in all, it takes a lot of active time out of the juicing process. Paired with that technology is an easy-to-clean mechanism, very similar to the one seen in the Hurom H200. This mechanism replaces a traditional fine screen with a dual strainer, which proves far easier to clean while maintaining the same overall standard. The dual strainer is also supported by a range of tweaks to the other juicing parts, making them quick and easy to clean too. Moving on to the key blending features, the M100 offers a range of options off the bat, all of which can be seen and accessed through the intuitive LED control panel and digital dial. Front and center on the panel above the dial is a stopwatch/timer function that counts up to show the total blending time on a manual blend, or counts down to show the time left on an auto pre-programmed function. This, of course, leads us nicely onto those pre-programmed functions, which can be seen listed on the left side of the panel. In total, there are 5 modes for smoothies, ice crushing, soups, grinding, and self-cleaning. Combined, these functions cover a majority of common blender needs, allowing for the M100 to be used effectively with no experience. Although for those that want to do something different or prefer to control the blending process themselves, the M100 can be used manually. This is achieved by twisting the dial to the right, where it can be adjusted to any of 10 individual speed settings. This is also supplemented by a pulse function that can be accessed by pressing and holding the button within the dial. Beyond the core features, let's move on to how well the M100 actually performs both of its roles. Now, when set for use as a juicer, it effectively matches the ever-popular Hurom H200 for performance, which is a pretty impressive standard to set. Like its siblings, it utilizes Hurom's patented slow squeeze technology to great effect, crushing ingredients at a speed of 50 rotations per minute. This steady speed gives the auger and strainers plenty of contact time with the produce as it is funneled down to them, allowing for the extraction of great juice yields with high nutrient content. Due to its vertical style, the M100 does its best work with soft fruits and root vegetables, but it can be used to juice the likes of celery and leafy greens in moderation, mixed in with other ingredients. Moving on to its blending performance, we had expected it to take a hit here. However, we've been very pleasantly surprised by how well it actually works. For starters, it kicks up a very smooth blending vortex, allowing for ingredients to fold over each other into the blades, ensuring that they're all blitzed consistently. This is then further supported by a lot of power, and when used at its fastest setting, the M100 can reach speeds of up to 26,500 rotations per minute. Effectively, this means that it has more than enough oomph to cut through almost any ingredient, and it can easily create creamy and smooth end products. Thanks to the power it's packing, the M100 can also be used for notoriously difficult tasks, such as crushing ice, or grinding dry goods such as coffee beans, whole spices, or oats into a fine powder. Now, as far as user experience is concerned, the M100 is certainly very positive when it comes to either juicing or blending. Obviously, for juicing, the self-feeding design makes everything very easy, and once the top container is full of ingredients, it really needs no further assistance to produce fresh juice on demand. As for blending, there are a range of automatic pre-programmed functions available, but even the manual control options are very easy to utilize thanks to the intuitive interface. Additionally, the M100's ability to automatically detect which head is in place makes it very easy to switch between blending or juicing without any setup or configuration in between. Just place the head you want to use on the base and it's good to go. Of course, that's not all that matters though, and we also have to look at the ease of cleaning and assembly. As far as cleaning is concerned, the juicing parts are all very well optimized, and they all rinse clean easily under warm water. The dual strainer is especially quick here in comparison to a traditional fine screen. Cleaning after blending is equally easy with some help from the self-cleaning mode, which allows the jug to clean itself with the help of a bit of water and dishwashing liquid. Lastly, as far as assembly goes, the M100 keeps to the expected pattern. Unsurprisingly, there's not much to be said against the blending jug, and compared to a majority of models, the juicing parts are very simple to put together too, making it easy to get started at a moment's notice. Last but not least, let's discuss build quality. In this area, the M100 shows up very well, and it is built from a range of high-quality BPA-free plastics. As a result, the juicing parts and blending jug are all very durable and sturdy, allowing them to comfortably handle the high-speed or high-pressure environments they are required to endure. Additionally, the juicing components have all also been machined to a great standard, with high-quality finishing that removes a majority of production marks and seams. As for the blending jug, well, it has definitely been designed to last. And the blending blades are made of metal with a rather glamorous gold effect finish. Those blades are also further supported by a fully metal connection through to the motor, ensuring that the connection points won't erode away as they sometimes do with cheaper plastic connectors. Moving down from the parts, the base itself is also very durable and stable, ensuring that it remains very sturdy while either blending or juicing. Of course, while the base is certainly sturdy and pretty slim, it isn't the most compact. Although, considering the complex motor arrangement required to make the M100 a juicer and blender 2-in-1 appliance, it's not much bigger than many standard juicers or blenders. And it certainly needs less space than two separate products would. So, to summarise our thoughts, it'd be fair to say that we like the Hurom M100. Not only does it break into new territory, but it does so exceedingly well, far surpassing our expectations. This isn't a product that performs both functions averagely. It knocks each of them out of the park and can compete with purpose-made products easily. Of course, it goes without saying that it's not the cheapest of products out there, but when compared to individual juicers or blenders of equal quality, it's actually very good value relatively. So if the idea of rolling two appliances into one functional package appeals to you, then the M100 could be an excellent answer to both your juicing and blending needs. As always, thank you for joining us, and we hope that you found this review useful. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a like, and we'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. For more content like this, be sure to check out our channel and subscribe to keep up to date with our latest releases. Be sure to have a lovely day, and we'll catch you next time.